Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone! Welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a really cute little Valentine's Day dragon. So I think this is going to be super cute. I'm going to start drawing our cute little Valentine's Day dragon with his eye. So I'm going to do a circle, and then inside that I got another circle, and then in that we got kind of like a little shape like a bean. And then I'm gonna color the biggest part all dark, like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna give him like a little blushy part right here underneath his eye. And now we're gonna do a big line like that. And then a little U shape. This is gonna be his mouth over here. So I'm gonna give him a couple little teeth, but they're just little round teeth. I'm not gonna make him sharp because he's a friendly dragon full of love. And so we come down here, give him a little bit of a neck. And right here, we can give 1, 2, 3 little dragon fingers and come on up with the arm. And we can do 3 little lines here because we gotta separate his little claws from the rest of his arm. And he's gonna be holding a little heart. So we can try to draw a little heart now in his hand. Okay, so something like that. And right here in between his little teeth and the heart, we can just put a little line here and finish off the other part of his neck. And now we can come on down here, give him a bit of a back. And now we're going to do a curve like that for his front leg. And give him 1, 2, 3 3 claws on his foot. So 1, 2, 3. So we just did those little lines to separate the claws from the rest of his foot. And now we can come on down a little line like this to give him a belly. And we're gonna do another curved line here to give him his other leg. And now he needs his other foot. So 1, 2, 3 little toes. And then those little lines again to separate the claws from the rest of the foot. Now he needs 2 little strokes there for nostrils so he can breathe. And I'm also going to give him a little tail. I'm going to have it coming out this way, like that. And I'm also going to give this dragon wings. So they're going to be kind of like bat wings. So I'm coming up like this, and they're going to come out, and then curve in, and curve in. Like I'm making these little like U shapes, like that. And now we can kind of draw one in the back. So we just did a line, and then we're going to come on up, and then come on down. So we got his other wing there, but we don't really see it super well because this front one is blocking it. But he's got 2 little wings here now. And let's give him some little triangle shapes all the way along them. So these are kind of like, maybe like little horns. Now, maybe you don't want your dragon to have these. And that's okay. You don't have to give him these. But I think why not? So we can do them all along the tail. I think it helps to make them look more dragon-like. Just little triangle shapes. Okay, and now we didn't do his other hand. So we got this one here. But I think with his other hand we can, let's make him waving. So we did a little curve like this. And then we'll do 1, and give him a little thumb. Now 1, 2, 3, and then come on in. And now let's separate with those little lines. We gotta separate the claws from the rest of them. So I think that's so cute. And let's give him some extra little hearts because he's a Valentine's dragon. And like I said, he just wants to spread love. He's a sweetie like that. So if you want to add more hearts, go for it. I think he's so cute. Okay, so now I'm going to add just a little bit more detail in the wing. We're gonna come on up a little bit and then put a little sharp spot. Well, it's not really sharp, but it looks like a little V shape here coming into that point of the wing. And then come on up and then do the same thing right there. And come on up, do the same thing with that one. Come on up again and then go into there. Okay, now we don't need to do it on the other wing because looking the way that we're looking at the dragon, this is the back of his wing, whereas this here is the front of the wing. So we don't need to do it to both. So I don't know about you, but I think he looks so cute. So I'm gonna color him in now. All right, so we are done our picture of our cute little Valentine's Day dragon. I hope you enjoyed drawing. So folks, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. All that good stuff really helps out the channel a lot. And also right now we have a contest going on here at Daily Doodles. So all the information for that contest will be in the description below. Okay, everybody, I hope you have fun. I hope you have a really good day, and I hope to see you back here next time for the next Daily Doodle. Okay, bye!